guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you guys how I style and maintain my short natural hair. I use these products called TGIN, and TGIN essentially means thank God it's natural. I love them mostly because they contain shea butter and are rich in vitamin E. So I start off by wetting my hair completely. I did this off camera. I use a triple moisture replenishing conditioner and whack it into my hair by rubbing it gently into the scalp. So this product as well, the conditioner contains argan oil and shea butter. I don't think all the products contain argan oil, but they definitely contain shea butter. But this one specifically does contain argan oil. So I do rub it into the hair and I go and wash it out once that is done. Okay. It feels super soft. So once I'm done doing that, I put in this green tea leave-in conditioner. I honestly would skip this step if you wash your hair frequently. I don't wash my hair all the time a lot. I actually wash it once a week, which is why I use an extra conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, to just keep it moist and healthy. Oh my gosh, guys, I totally forgot to create an intro. I did this video really quickly when I was rushing to work, so my apologies. Once that is done, I add the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer to keep my hair moist and not looking dry. I then like using the Twist and Define cream to give my hair subtle curly twists. I use the tips of my fingers to work the product in my hair and just work it in circular motions to just give me those twists. So because I have super coarse hair, as you can tell, I like wetting my hair, wetting the edges of my hair before applying edge control. It just helps my scalp and me keep my edges snatched. So if you have the same hair texture as me, this is definitely a technique that you want to try and, you know, see if it helps you lay your edges. So I then comb out the hair using an Afro comb. I don't know if this is what they call it, but that's what I call it. When I'm done combing the hair, I use a sponge to give me the subtle twists that I always go for. I don't like having defined twists. Some people like that, but I don't. So that's why I do it very lightly in circular motions. So if you do want those defined dreadlock looking like twists, then go for it. Definitely apply a lot of pressure with the sponge. I love laying my edges. Oh my goodness, it is so fun. So because I don't know, it's just I feel like it does accentuate my face and just pulls out all those angles that are usually hidden by my hair or my funny looking forehead. So I really like this part. Anyway, so you always want to make sure you have a toothbrush. I always use a toothbrush to just comb out those baby hairs. And I also use the Eco Styling Gel. I love that that gel. It helps my hair stay intact. My hair looks white right now, but it will disappear once I'm done with everything that I'm doing. It usually takes a few seconds or minutes for the products to settle in and dry up. Once I'm done laying my edges, I comb out my hair around the hairline, just to make sure I don't have gaps between where the hairline starts and where it meets the baby hairs. And that's it. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked this video. It's a super easy there are super easy steps that I do take to maintain and take care of my hair. I mean, it's short hair. How difficult could that be taking care of? So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, and let me know what kinds of videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.